Hi, Ronnie Simmons here. I'm the principal at Bologna High School, Bologna Freshman Academy. This is my sixth year combined to be principal at Bologna Freshman Academy and Bologna High School. It's my 18th year in education overall. Some of you might remember me. I'm a proud graduate of Bologna High School, best class ever, class of 1987, but I might be a little biased. In case you're not really remembering me from being in school with me, this is what I looked like back in ninth grade. So, a few changes, mostly no hair. That's the biggest thing. We are returning from the longest spring break in recorded history due to COVID-19. I have some personal goals for this year, and I hope that you will join with me in adopting these as goals for yourself. Those goals would be that every person would be quick to hear one another, that we would all be slow to speak. We would give ourselves time to think before we speak or react. We would be slow to anger, and that we would all most definitely be quick to forgive. That's going to be very important as we go through this school year. The truth is, guys, we need one another now more than ever. We will accomplish so much more if we work together as a team rather than working as individuals. I am excited to have students back in our buildings again. I want to hear the noise. I want to see the activity because those are signs of life, and we need those to return to our facilities. Students, I can't wait to see you on Monday. It's going to be a great year.